Hi everyone, welcome back to my other video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Microsoft Office error code 30015-11 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the Microsoft Office error code 30015-11 while installing your MS Office, then I will show you simple method how to fix this issue. In this, the first and simple method is you can try running your Office installer by as an administrator. You have to just right click on your setup file, then click on run as administrator. If this option doesn't work, you can try second method. You can repair your file system. Click on search menu, then type your cmd. Right click on your command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Then type here sfc space /scan now. Then hit enter. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes. After completion of that, you have to restart your PC. After restarting, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still not facing the issue, then try the last and final method. Click on search menu, then type here network reset. Click on network reset. Then click on reset now. It will reset your network settings. You can try after completion of this reset. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Microsoft Office error code 30015-11 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.